Because I don't know if you can hear me, you guys. We are here. You can see what is happening here. Yeah, you guys, we are commemorating the death of Mfulukazi the king. So we are heading to Sito now. That's what is taking place right now, you guys. So just wait for me. I'm gonna show you more